I have a surprise for you.
What is it?
Come with me and I will show you.
You give me beer?
No, kitty, you are not allowed to drink beer. You're only 2 years old.
Oh no! Catnip! I love catnip! I think I'm high already. I will guard this catnip. I don't want to share it.
I have another gift for you.
A catnip toy. Human, you're awesome. You're the best human a cat can have. What was that?
Sorry, I stumbled.
You scared me to death, human. Don't ever do that again. I just lost one of my 7 lives now, because of your clumsiness.